Now let us work around some trigonometric examples. Sine is used to return the sine of a number. So for that I'll import the math module and an alias. Now I'll print the sine. How? Using module.math.sine. So let's say I want in the bracket add the value for which you want the sine. Right click and run, and here it is. Okay, so let's say you want the sine of degrees. For that you need to first convert it into radians using the radians method. So let's see that example also. So I just copied this. Now I told you we'll be using m dot, because I use an alias, m dot radians, and within that I'll add values. So this will give you sine 30 degree. Right click run, because we converted it. At first we converted it. Okay, so this is sine 30, which is 0.499. That is sine value of 30 degrees. In this way you can work around the sine function.